Then our technical colleges are in a huge ramp up. They're opening up the advanced manufacturing centers beyond the ones they have. They're building up buildings and making a huge investment there. So they're training adults, and we're taking in middle schoolers, graduating them out. The colleges are taking in adults and graduating them out into industry. So we're putting out, thousands of graduates a year. And when I was done, I'm looking at 100 people in the room, and there's just this dramatic dead silence. And they're like, one guy with words I won't repeat because we're going to be on video, he goes, "You got to be blanking kidding me. And this Connecticut's the size of a postage stamp, and you guys are doing that." And I go, "Well, what you don't understand is the manufacturing complex we have." And I told him about my career at Sikorsky. And I go, "Everybody look on TV, you see Blackhawks and all those cool helicopters." Yeah. I go, "Well, they're built in Stratford."
Mm-hmm.
And I said, the jet engines that go into a lot of the fighter aircraft and stuff are built up in the Hartford area. I said, all the components that go into all of those aircraft, and Boeing and Boeing aircraft and Lockheed and Airbus and all that stuff, I said, it's all made in Connecticut. And so I said, that's just aerospace. I haven't even gotten into other stuff. I said, some of the most advanced medical technologies that we've developed in this world happen here in Connecticut.
That's right.
And so I said, that's just medical. I haven't gotten into the rest. And they're just like, "Oh my God, we didn't know. And I go, I said, for a small little state, I go, we're by far probably the strongest manufacturing state in the country.
Mm-hmm.
And I go, I don't believe, that any other state is doing what we do for training manufacturers, young people, or anybody to get into the manufacturing trade. And in a little bit of a conversation, I was able to learn that what we spend in Connecticut and what we put out for graduates in manufacturing for our tech system as well as the colleges is equal to like 10 other states combined.